Assalamu alaikum guys, in this video we will learn how to hide part of user's email, maybe for verification or other security cases. For example, here I have this email as we can see here, and I want to show it like this to ask user to enter this mail, maybe for sending verification code. For example, it will be like this, and we will learn how to make it dynamically. It's super easy. We can say return and using str helper class mask method, and we will provide our string email and which character we want to replace with. I want to replace with asterisk here. You can add anything, maybe hyphen or underscores, and from which index, or we will select the beginning. I want to start from 0 and hide length here, as we can see, 2 characters. Let's back and check. I have my original email here. If I run the refresh, as we can see, started from 0 and hide here 2 characters, A and H. If you want to make it works dynamically, we can say here, for example, in this case, I get the main part before last A, at here, before at, I get this part, right? And in the length parameter, I will say here, for example, str length and the main part, and hide the half of this part. Show half and hide half. Back and check. As we can see, it's dynamically work. For example, if we add any characters here, still works dynamically. Even if we add 1 letter, may not work, because if we die and lump letter here, dd, it's a half. So instead of that, we can say cell to set it to the next integer number on high level. It will be 1. So instead of that, we can say it here using cell method. And even if we have 1 letter, it will be hidden, right? If we have 2, half of them will be hidden. If we have 3 here, 2 of them. If we have 4, show 2 and hide 2, and so on. Here's a quick tip. If you find it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next videos.